We'll guide you through what to do when your Xbox Series S or Series X controller is not turning on. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get into this.
So first off, the first method that you will need to do is check your batteries. To check your batteries, flip over your controller and check out this compartment right here. And open it up. To open it up, you will need to apply a bit of force and push upwards on this part right here. Let's do that. And as you can see, it just opened up. The first thing that you will need to do is check if your batteries are properly positioned. The plus sign on the bottom one should be pointing this way or towards the buttons, and the top one should be pointing towards the left analog. After you have done that, you should try to power on your controller. If it still doesn't work, you might need to consider switching to a new pair of AA batteries, as this one might be out of power. So, another thing that you need to consider is to check these battery contacts right here and to see whether they're damaged. If they're damaged, you should look into getting them repaired by sending it to a repair shop. Now, after you have checked the batteries, you should close this up. And if that didn't help you, you should move on to this method. It involves you getting your cable for your controller that came alongside your Xbox. Take the USB-C part and plug it at the top of your controller. Then take the USB part and plug it into your console right here. After you have connected it, try to update the software of your controller. Updating the software of your controller is really important for Xbox controllers, as it allows them to work seamlessly whenever they're updated. To update it, plug it in as I said, swipe down and find the My Games and Apps section. Open it up, then swipe down to Apps, swipe to the right until you get to the Settings option right here, open that up, and after you open that up, you scroll down until you get into Devices and Connections. Then swipe to the right and open up Accessories. Now, after we have opened up Accessories, let's wait for it to load. When we get inside of here, we navigate down and select the three dots right here. Let's open that up. And here at the top, we see if there is an update available. If there is an update available, you just press that button right there and wait for your controller to be updated. Now, if after you update it, it still has issues working wirelessly and it keeps turning off, you might want to consider using it only as a wired controller, since there is probably some type of hardware issues. If none of these work for you, I would recommend checking out if your warranty is still running and trying to get it repaired by the place that you bought it from, or just send it to a repair shop yourself or buy a new one as a last resort. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.